good day. Please, may I know you? The police? Oh my God. Oh my God. God have mercy. Please, do you know where they took her to? Okay. Okay. Thank you. Please. Please, go. Hello? They said they took my daughter to a police station. Okay. Okay, thank you.
Call it what it is, it's a fantasy. Call it what it is, it's a fantasy. Call it what it is, it's a fantasy. Call it what it is, it's a fantasy.
Brenda, how are you? Your friend has gotten herself into big trouble. I don't even know who to talk to. I don't know who to call. I sent her to school, though. She went there and fought. She beat up somebody. I don't know if the person is alive or dead. According to what she told me, she has this boyfriend. So when she was in his house, then the girlfriend came and started harassing her. She tried to leave. The girlfriend pulled her by the dress and she retaliated. I hit her and she collapsed. I don't know what to do. Please, I've been trying to call her. Her number is not connecting. Can you please try and call her for me? I'll be going there tomorrow. Okay. Thank you so much. Oh God. Where do I go? Where do I go? Who do I call?
Call it what it is, it's a fantasy. Call it what it is, it's a fantasy. Call it what it is, it's a fantasy. Yeah.
God, is this how life is?
I'm falling for you.
Pamela, from school to jail. I should have just left her. I should have left her at home. How do I face the world? People will start pointing fingers at me now. Calling me the mother of a murderer. How did I get it wrong? God. How did I know? How would I have known that this would be the outcome? The embarrassment, the humiliation. On top of everything, she is pregnant. God. Is this not too much? Is this not too much? And throughout the court case, this so-called boyfriend never showed up. Pamela, how did you get yourself entangled with this kind of human being? How? God, how? God, is this not too much? Hello, Brenda. I'm just coming back home. They convicted your friend. They've sent her to prison. The deceased girl, her parents are very wealthy and they have a lot of connection. To crown it all, your friend is pregnant. And the so-called boyfriend never showed up. He never showed up. I don't know how Pamela got herself involved in this kind of thing. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. Amen. Okay. Thank you.
Who knows? Who knows? Who knows where we're going? Who knows where we're going?
Don't come and help me, right? You don't want to help me? Okay. Okay. Wow. What else? What else? What else? Here we go. Leaving all the hurts behind. But I pray that this city will be nice to us. Be nice to us. Let me bring the throw pillows. Let me throw pillows for mommy. No? 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 Is it okay here? Is it fine there? And here? Sure? Okay. My God. It's getting late. Let's go and search for a grocery shop so that we can get something to eat. All right? We go? Okay. Wait, let me get my purse, all right?
Whoa! Hello, little princess. How are you?
So sorry, sir. She can be quite hyperactive.
No, it's fine. It's fine. What's your name? Oh, it's nice to meet you, Kakira. You came to get something?
Yes.
Okay, let's go do some shopping.
No, sir. You don't have to bother about it.
No. You're one body right now. Let us go do shopping, okay? Let's go.
I give up.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. I said thank you to uncle.
Oh, you're welcome. So where do you live?
Just a few blocks from here. We are new in the vicinity though.
Okay, I just live 3 blocks away too. I just moved in too.
Really?
Yes.
So this is our welcome treat.
You can say that again. Okay, so I guess I'll come and say hi to my little friend if daddy permits.
No, that yet.
Oh, as well. As
Yeah.
well. Okay, so I guess I'll see you later.
Okay.
Okay? Bye. Hey.
Bye.
Take care of yourself now.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome again.
Call it what it is, it's a fantasy. Call it what it is, it's a fantasy.
Yeah. I'm falling for you. I'm falling for you.
What a lively child. I'd like to see her again. I wonder why all these ladies never had babies for me. And I dreaded that so much. Pamela, please forgive me. You're one person that I wish I had a child with. It's all I ever wanted. I'm so sorry for not being there for you. I'm so sorry I abandoned you when you needed me the most. I'm so sorry. It's not there for you.
You are such a blessed child. You bring so much luck. Anytime we go out, people want to associate with you. You remind me so much of Pamela. I don't even know where she is. If she's alive or dead. I'm believing that one day God will bring her back to us. I pray we get to see her again. Okay? But you're my solace. I think it's getting late. Let's go and cook something. Alright? Will you go with me to the kitchen? Okay, let's go.
I don't know why I'm so drawn to that little angel. Constantly thinking about her. I wanted a neutral environment where no one knows me and I know no one.
I've lived a life of so much saga, and I just wanted to be alone with no connection to anyone. But this pretty little girl has got me thinking about her constantly. She reminds me of the fact that I'm in dire need of a family and how lonely I am. I was never contented with one woman until my loss put Pamela in trouble. I still don't know how to right that wrong. But still, I still want to see that child. It's funny though. Hello? Hi. My little friend, can you hear me?
Who's there?
Hi, hello.
Hello. Who's coming?
How's my little friend? Oh, there you are.
She's over there.
How are you?
Welcome to my humble abode.
Thank you. I was just in the neighborhood. I wasn't sure which was your house, but I decided to try my luck on this one.
And you were lucky.
Yes, I wanted to see how both of you were faring.
You are doing great. Getting used to the new environment.
Oh, that's true. I'm also doing the same thing. I left my ugly past behind, and trying to get acquainted to people around. Yeah, I just decided to stop by to see both of you.
That's nice.
You're welcome.
So, what can I offer you?
Nothing for now.
No, I disagree. This is your first time here, so you must take something.
Okay, I'll have a glass of water.
Okay, glass of water it is.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Here we go.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Thank you. I know we didn't get to introduce ourselves the other last time. So my name is Jason.
Mine is Christian.
It's nice to meet you, Kristen.
It's a pleasure.
And I know this is Peculiar.
The center of attraction.
Yeah. It's nice meeting you again.
It's a pleasure.
I don't know if you don't mind if I come by from time to time just to say hello and see my little new friend.
That's okay.
Okay. Can I have your number?
All right.
Okay.
So you can just dial yours here.
Okay, I'll do that. Okay, you can save it as Jason.
Okay. I'll save this.
Okay, and this is,
Yeah.
you type it there.
Yeah. Kristen.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, I think I'll take my leave now.
Okay.
Yes, I have some things I need to attend to.
All right.
Thank you for having me in your house.
Nice having you around.
Yes, it was a lovely time. I have to go now, okay? I'll see you very soon. Bye.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye.
What does this one want? You can't tell me it's just his love for Peculiar, no? Men of these days, they don't care how old the woman is. They just want to try their luck. Let's see how this one plays out.
Hello, Christine. How's your day? Mine went well. I'm sure my little angel has gone to bed. Look, Christine, you have to pardon me, okay? You and Peculiar. I mean, I'm new in the neighborhood and you people are the only friends that I have, so you just have to bear with me. I hope you don't mind if we're cool. Thank you. Can we have a sit out tomorrow? Okay. I guess I'll call to find out. Okay, that'll be great. I'll leave you to have some rest now. And send my regards to my angel, okay? Thank you. Good night.
Please. Oh, this is for my little angel. Where is she, by the way?
She's upstairs with her nanny.
Oh, she has a nanny. That's good. I was wondering how you were managing the whole thing, yourself. I know that would be very tedious.
Yeah, it is. So the nanny comes only when I have errands to run. So
Oh, okay, that's fine. Do you have errands to run or are you up for a stroll?
I am so super tired from all the errands I ran today. So can we reschedule for another day?
Sure, we can reschedule. That's not a problem. Um, that's for her.
But don't you think that all this is too much for her?
No, they're not for you. They're for her, so don't get jealous, okay?
Okay.
Please, my regards to her.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll definitely come by again.
All right.
We owe me is true.
I appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much.
Anytime. Welcome to my humble abode.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Please come in. Tequila.
Wow. This place is beautiful.
I know. Tequila, come. Please make yourself comfortable. Let me carry you.
Thank you.
Let me get you for something. Please.
No, don't worry. We're okay.
Are you
We're
sure?
okay, right?
Are you sure?
Yes, we're good.
Look, I insist.
We already had something to eat and drink before coming.
Okay. If you say so.
Thanks for offering.
You're welcome. Peculiar, how are you? It's good to have both of you here.
Thank you.
Moving into an environment, you'd want to get to know the environment, get acquainted to people, but unlike this place, you don't find people around.
That's true.
So what made you move from a place?
It's funny, but let's just say I got tired of my old environment and I needed a change.
Yeah.
And a trip down here was absolute.
Yeah, that's fine. It's definitely absolute.
Yeah.
Yeah. I myself, since I moved here, I haven't really met people, but Meeting both of you has been wonderful. It's really wonderful.
Well, it's your likeness for Peculiar that really is amazing.
I know.
And also to meet new people, also like you, and people abreast of what is happening around.
Yeah. But don't worry, you have me now, okay?
Yeah,
But you owe me that straw, though. Just remembered.
it's true.
Mm-hmm.
I thought you were joking.
Very serious.
Okay, now that we know your place, we have to be going.
Okay, I'll just walk you then. Okay.
That'll be nice.
Tequila, let's go. Come
Thanks for
down.
having us.
You're welcome. Thanks for coming. Let me open the door.
Thank you.
Who knows where we're going? Who knows where we're going?
I think I've done enough appreciation with Jason. I left my former area because I don't want them to argue whenever I'm passing. I came here for peace. I don't want all this association. I don't want my past following me about. It's just me and Peculiar, and I'm fine. No, I can't. I don't want it.
I don't know why I'm strongly drawn to them. I mean, I've been passing their house for over 3 to 4 times now, trying to steal glimpses. This time around, I'll just knock on the door and go inside. Or die and not die. Jason doesn't retreat when Jason sees what he likes. Very strange. But I like it. Hello?
Who knows where we're going? Who knows where we're going?
Hello? Kristen?
You're living in my head. I didn't mean what
Hello,
I said.
Kristen?
Didn't mean what I said. Can't take back what I said. Somehow I'm having a feeling. I'm having a feeling. Someday, somehow, I'm having a feeling. I'm having a feeling.
Guess I'll come back later. Kristen? Kristen? What's happening? Kristen? Hello? Peculiar? Hello? Kristen? Peculiar? Kristen? What's going on? But I can hear Peculiar's voice. What's happening? Okay.
Who knows? Who knows? Who knows where we're going? Who knows where we're going?
What's going on?
You're living in my head. I didn't mean what I said.
Why is Kristen not picking up my calls? And she's not calling me back. Why? What's going on? There's no problem.
I'm having a feeling. I'm having a feeling. Someday
What's happening? She's not calling back. She's not picking my calls. What's happening?
I'm having a feeling. I'm having a feeling.
Kristen, are you okay?
No, I'm not ready for all this, please. I'm not ready for all this distraction at all. Even for Peculiar, if she gets used to him being around in my mind, what if he doesn't come up to me? I don't want it. It's just the two of us. And let it be like that. I don't want any distraction.
I hope you are listening to the I just want you to that I'm fault. It's just me alone. Thank you. You have been part of that.
Jason, what are you doing? I like Kristen, no doubt I like her, and I know she's older than me, but age is just a number. I mean, I need someone mature, you know? A mature partner. I've been through a lot. And I'm tired, man. I'm tired of all the troubles. I don't want that anymore. I guess I just have to keep trying.
What does this guy want? Huh? What does he want, for crying out loud? Like day and night, what does he want? I'm tired of all this rubbish. Talk of the devil. Hello?
Hello, Kristen. Thanks for peeking.
I just picked because I wanted to just give you a stern warning.
Before you do, please listen to me.
What do you want?
I have just one request.
And what's that?
Give me a chance to explain what I really want.
Which is,
Oblige me a date.
Justin, listen, I'm not liking this at all.
Please, Kristen, I beg you, okay? Just grant me this audience.
Have a good night rest.
I'll pick you up tomorrow. Okay.
How are you?
Good.
Okay. I would like this to be as brief as possible. All right?
Noted. Yes. So what would you drink?
What are we fine?
Come on. Loosen up. Try and have some fun. Let me order some drinks. Waiter!
Jackson, what exactly do you want from me?
I want you. Okay? Give me your very nice bottle of red wine. Thank you.
What exactly do you want from me?
I want you. As odd as it may sound, it's you I want.
Are you aware that I'm quite older?
And that's the only crime I'm committing here. Look, there's nothing new under the sun. Okay?
So, in this world with so many beautiful ladies, you can find one to make beautiful family with. Why me?
Like, I'm tired of young ladies, too. Okay? I've been through a lot. I need a mature woman that understands marriage and relationship. And that's why I've chosen you.
You can't be serious, right?
I'm absolutely serious, dead serious. Look, I've been through a lot and I've done something that I regret. But honestly, I know what I'm talking about. Thank you.
You know, besides two of us, I still have Peculiar to consider. You know that?
Peculiar. My angel. It's not my problem.
Your boldness is out of this world. I really, it baffles me. You are so bold, you know? Very,
Thank you.
very.
Thank you very much. But I'm being very serious. Okay? Look, when a man sees what he wants, he doesn't hesitate, he goes for it.
But I don't think it's going to be possible. I really don't think so.
Look, I am offering you what you need.
What I need.
Yeah.
You talk as if you know me from somewhere.
I can read it all over you. You need someone to take care of you. Wipe away those tears. Make you feel good and feel some love. Let me in. Look, you haven't even touched your wine yet.
Anyways, in as much as all this sounds beautiful and all that, I have to go.
So promise me you'll think about it?
I can't promise.
Okay, then just tell me you think about it.
I can't promise.
I'm not asking you to promise me.
Okay, I'm thinking about it.
Better. Thank you.
Okay. Can you imagine that man? This year I was blocking from getting access to. I'm sure by now he'll be cursing me inside.
That was rude, sir.
I know.
Seeing a man with a woman, it doesn't matter if he's her man or her son. She wasn't supposed to do that.
Son, who is your son?
You could be my son, you know?
I'm your man. Okay?
Okay. You're my baby.
Uh-huh. Let's go. Say your boy, who's your son?
Or you could be my son, actually.
Oh, it's bad good to be back home. Kristen, let's come. You know, you've been an amazing, sweet lady this past few weeks. Yeah, seriously. Like, I've experienced joy and peace as I've come to know you. It's like a heavy burden has been lifted off my shoulder.
Well, you've been amazing too, and it's been worth it.
Like, I don't want anything to come between us, okay?
Okay.
So, why don't you just take it a step further?
What do you mean?
Marry me. Marry me, Kristen, please. Like, I love you, I love Peculiar. We're like a family I've always wanted.
Are you sure this is what you want?
All my life is yours.
Oh my God. 26.
Darling, thank you for accepting my proposal. You're so sweet.
You are sweet too. I could get used to this, you know.
I know. Let's get married in 2 weeks. Yes. Or is it too far?
Too far or too soon?
Look, I'm just tired of you going and coming, you know. It's becoming too cumbersome.
The most important thing is that we are together. I wouldn't want something too elaborate, you know?
Okay, so 2 weeks is fine there, right?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm falling for you.
Yeah.
Love, 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 love. Love, 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 love. Love, love, love.
Yes, it was beautiful events. I'm happy I agreed to go at last.
You see, I told you to stop being picky when I invite you out. You don't need to worry about what people think about us.
That's all right, babe.
Okay, so let me take the angel here to take a bath and put her to bed.
Okay.
Yeah.
I go to the kitchen and tidy this.
Oh, no, don't worry. Okay, when I'm done, I'll come do this myself. You're tired. You need to rest.
Sure?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll drop it in the kitchen.
Talk a little bit and touch more. Talk a little bit and touch more. Talk a little bit and touch more. Talk a little bit and touch more.
Call it what it is.
I can't believe I'm experiencing freedom again. Going to jail for murder in this country is life imprisonment, but God, you vindicated me and I'm experiencing freedom again. I thought all hope was lost. Everyone abandoned me, including my mom. They left me to just die. I just want to see my mom. I just want to see my daughter again. I just want to see my child again. Lord, I'm grateful. I don't take this for granted. I'm grateful. I'm grateful for this freedom. I'm grateful. I'm grateful. Everything is changed. Everyone is changed. Everything looks so different. Lord, I'm grateful. Lord, I'm grateful. I have to look for my mom. I need to meet my daughter again. I need to see my child again. I'm sorry. Good morning.
Good morning.
Please, I'm looking for one woman. She's fair. She's a bit average in height. She stays inside this estate.
Inside this estate?
Yes, she's fair.
I don't think it's
Towards Road 10.
fair.
Yes.
Road 10?
Yes.
Road 10 is not in this side.
Oh, it's here. It's here.
It's not here, not here. It's not here.
Okay, thank you.
Alright. You might ask anybody along the road. Maybe you
Okay.
can get.
Thank you.
Yeah.
So this.
Call it what it is. It's a fantasy.
What was all this one now? At least if I had a picture of her, I would have been able to show people. Maybe they would recognize them. But this one, no picture, nothing. Where do I start looking for them from? What do I do now?
Now this game, one don't cut. 23-24.
Skido!
Who ram?
Hey!
Hey! Pame,
Skido, now you be
pame,
this.
pame, nwa. Pame,
Now you be this.
They say, you don't alive like this. So you don't alive.
Come on,
They say your enemy don't buy for inside
God
prison.
forbid, not be me go cry. God forbid bad
Pame,
thing.
now you be this for it.
Thank God say I see you. I don't dey find my mama up and down though.
Where
I go find her reach like this?
Male. Now say everybody dey cause male for this area. My mother and mama. Say if they cause everything, that's so it be. But no wish, we dey. So I be now.
You don't know where I go fit see her at all.
Now night man dey take pack comot for this area. Night overnight. Man don go.
Wow. How I go do this thing now? I really need to see her now.
You know wetin happen? I go put eye for ground for you. For my you know wetin go happen? Say, where your phone? I make I give you my.
I know.
Okay, you know wetin happen? This my Baba Ijebu ticket don tell now.
Now you.
Okay, make I
Baba
give you my
Ijebu, you
number.
never change.
Make I give you my number.
Oh yeah, now.
Just call me. Anytime I see my if you hire me, I go update you. Yeah? Pami too much you.
Thank you.
Don't go come back. Your enemy don't die finish.
God forbid.
God
not
don't
be
punish
me.
them.
I
Pick
go
my
call
number.
you. You know, say no dey pick call. I bet pick
I go
call.
pick, I go pick, I go pick. I go pick. I won't go block one of my niggas for bus stop. I go collect my keke money. You
No
understand?
wahala. Thank
know,
you, yeah.
Pami,
I go see you.
Pami, Pami.
No be that Pami of that
Pami,
year. I don't change.
no, you don't change.
I don't change.
Please do.
I don't
No
change.
wahala, sha.
It's good. No louder. No
No
wahala
go
now.
louder.
Make I enter room.
No wahala.
Thank you.
I go block my niggas now. May I
No
collect my
wahala.
money for my keke?
Oh yeah now.
Oh yeah, now.
I will call you.
Pami.
Thank you.
Pami, nwa.
Who knows where we're going? Who knows where we're going? You're living in my head. I what I said.
Mom? Mom?
Pamela. Pamela.
Oh,
Is that
Mom. Is that you?
you told me you were dead?
Where's my daughter?
My daughter is at home. My daughter is at home. Let's go. Oh my God, I can't believe this. Mommy is here.
Oh my God.
Thank God. Pamela, you are alive.
What's going on? What's happening? Why are we thanking?
Jesus.
Pamela.
You both know each other.
You piece of shit. What are you doing here?
Pamela, you don't talk like that to your stepdad.
Sweetheart, what did you just say?
What's going on here? What do you mean, stepdad?
What's going on?
Pamela. Talk to me. What's happening?
Mommy, this is Peculiar's father.
What?
Sweetheart.
Mom? Mom. Hey. Mom, talk to me. Mom. Get your fucking hands off her! Mom.
Please sit down properly. Sit down.
Mom, wake up. Mom.
Sweetheart, please wake up.
Mom. Hey. Mom, look at me. Talk to me.
Let me get water, please.
Mom, please wake up. Don't you?
She needs water. You need to calm down. She's my wife.
To calm down.
She's my wife.
One more word from you, I swear I will kill you and go back to where I'm coming from. Mommy, this is Peculiar's father. This is the man that made me kill someone. This is the same man that abandoned me. And you talking about what? Step one? I don't get it. I'm confused. I don't understand. What do you mean, my stepfather? What do you mean? What do you guys mean? I'm lost. What is going on? What is going on? Stepfather.
Who knows where we're going? You living in my head.
What do they mean, wife? 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 God, this is not what you promised me. I prayed. I prayed to you while I was in prison. I fasted. Why am I coming back to this? Why is chasing a thorn in my flesh? Why, God, why? Why? This is not what you promised me, God. No, this can't be happening.
You never told me you have a daughter.
I thought she was dead. I couldn't find her prison. They hid all her files. At the time when I got to the prison, they said some prisoners died of food poisoning.
This is not good. This is not good at all. No.
And you were the guy who was dating my daughter and cheating on her? And you were there when the fight happened and you could not speak up, you could not defend my daughter. Did you hate her that much?
I regret my actions, okay? I regret my actions. I tried. But the deceased family warned me. They want me to stay away from her. Stay away from even trying to help her, or else they'll jail me.
Okay, so you preferred for my daughter to rot in jail instead of coming out to say the truth. It must be horrible.
I'm sorry. Okay, I am so sorry. I was just scared. I was just scared of going to jail as a very young man. I didn't mean all this.
God!
I'm sorry.
How did I end up with my granddaughter's family? How? How can I explain this? Can we come? I'm enjoying it. I don't know, once I'm finished, I don't know what to do.
Mom.
You know you hurt me, right? You broke my heart. You shattered my heart. I was in jail. I was in jail and you abandoned me. You couldn't even fight. You couldn't even fight for me. And the last time I saw you was when you came to take my child. I insisted they give her to you because I didn't want the authorities to be in charge of her. That was the last time I saw my mom. That was the last time I saw my mother. What kind of a mom are you?
Pamela, I tried.
Okay.
I did everything humanly possible to see you. I didn't know which prison they took you to. They hid your files. They bribed everybody. The deceased family, they were so influential and everybody was under their payroll. Nobody was there to help me. Nobody could help me.
didn't know what to do.
You tried. How did you try? Mommy, I'm asking you, how did you try? Coming home to this? Is that you trying? You are with a yoga guy. What did this animal, what did he do to you? What did he do that made you accept him? Shut your mouth! I wasn't talking to you. Oh, let me guess, he deceived you just like he deceived me, right? I've known him with numerous women, and I kept telling him, I said, search yourself, search your damn self. He didn't. Everything happened because of you. I hit her because of you. I killed her because of you. It's your fault.
And I regret it. I regret everything. I'm sorry. I'm really sorry for everything. I tried. I tried all I could. But I was warned not to come even close to your judgment. I was even kidnapped and jailed. I'm really sorry. I even moved from that place because I was no longer myself. I even had to move from that place where I lived. And then I met your mom and Peculiar at the store. She ran to me. I loved her immediately. I loved her genuinely without even knowing she was my daughter. I'm so sorry for everything. Please, I'm sorry.
How can my mother be married to the father of my child? Does it even make sense? Does it even make sense? How is this happening? How did we get here? What is going on? What am I going to do? How do I handle this situation? Because I don't know. What is this? What is this? What is this? What is this?
Pamela, I'm so sorry. I am truly sorry. Woman knew he did you all this wrong. But he supported the Peculiar. Maybe that's God's way of bringing him close to us to right his wrong.
God did not do anything. God did not do anything. God did not send him to you. This man right here has caused me pain. This man right here fractured my heart, fractured my family. How do I explain it? How do I explain it? Because it doesn't make sense. I'm trying to wrap my head around it, but I can't. How do I explain that my mother is married to the father of her grandchild? How? Just how? Because it doesn't make sense. I'm trying, but it's not working. Just doesn't make sense. Just doesn't make sense.
Pamela, please stop.
Don't come close to me. I swear, I feel like killing you. If you come close to me, I will stab you.
Pamela,
Don't you dare come close to me.
Pamela, please.
You already found love, Mom. Just take care of my child.
I will not die. Pamela, please.
Child, come close.
Just... Pamela, what have you done? What have you done, Pamela? Pamela, please. Pamela. Oh, Pamela, please. What have you done? We need to get her to the hospital. Pamela! She can't defend you like...
Thank you. Thank you for taking care of me and not letting me die, even if I would have preferred that.
Why would you say that?
I'll be leaving for the US tomorrow.
How? Why?
It's the best thing for us.
Listen, I'm going to divorce this. Please.
You don't have to do that.
I'm going to talk with Jason. I know he might not agree, but it's the best thing to do. Please.
Well, I don't care whatever you decide anymore. I just need to go start my life afresh. Brenda has made arrangements already.
And you never bothered to tell me.
Mom, it's the best thing for us. When I get there, hopefully I'd settle. I would come back for my child. Please, Mommy. Tell him not to stop me when I come for my daughter.
Please. Can you find it somewhere in your house? Don't forgive us. Please. Please. I'm sorry. Sorry.